गुड मॉर्निंग दोस्तों, थैंक यू फॉर वाचिंग माय यूट्यूब चैनल्स। दोस्तों, टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट द माइंड, मतलब हाउ डज माइंड वर्क in our day-to-day life and how we will understand about the mind activity. So today we will learn about the mind activity. So generally there are three types of mind, and mainly is the two things: the conscious mind and subconscious mind. And you can understand about the conscious mind. Conscious mind is working is a 10% only, and the subconscious mind is working is a 90%. And another the so we will discuss about the two things: conscious and unconscious mind, a conscious and subconscious mind. And the unconscious mind is remain in sphere, and it is a, you can say, is a long term memory. It is a part of the long term memory, but the things which remain for the long period, it is it is called the unconscious mind. So today we will understand about the conscious mind. The conscious mind is the things which analyze, and when we are our senses, our knowledgeable senses will attach with the outer world. And the senses, suppose my eye is looking to anything, yeah, my ear is listening to anything, but the my this information without permission of the conscious mind will not enter. मतलब conscious mind, if we are remain in the constant mind, so constant, if our position existing in the conscious mind at present, so we will analyze about the fact which information you are taking from the outside. So this is the conscious mind activity. Conscious mind activity, you can understand, it is the analysis of the fact. Then the information will go in subconscious mind. So it is a, matlab you can understand, it is the conscious mind, it is the barrier of the any information which your senses is taking from the outer side, because we are living in the open atmosphere every day. So our senses is taking so many information, but if we remain in the conscious mind, so we can analyze about the fact, the कि मतलब which type of the information is correct and not correct. So conscious mind will decide which type of the information should go inside the in subconscious mind, and which type of the information should not go to into the subconscious mind. So conscious mind definition is the only analyzer of the things. So it is possible when we are conscious. And second things is the subconscious mind. Any information, suppose your conscious mind has given the relevant information to your subconscious mind, to your subconscious mind will subconscious mind, it is a repeated process. So that it is a repeated process, and your mind will again and again rethinking about the subconscious mind information. And whatever you want to do in your life, so you will make perfect your subconscious mind thought. Suppose you have decided in any aim, you want to become any collector, doctor, anything, and your desire is more, and you are putting your all efforts, which is you want to become the collector. And your subconscious mind, every day you are your mind is remembering all thought which you have kept in the subconscious mind. So your mind will, your all matlab your intensity of the desire is very higher side. And every day your subconscious mind will read, and every day your subconscious mind will remember you कि you have decided you want to become the collector. So subconscious mind, which type of the information you are having in the subconscious mind, the subconscious mind information is remind your mind to do activity every day. So this is the subconscious mind. It is a subconscious mind, it is a maybe beneficial and harmful. Suppose suddenly your conscious mind is absent, and you have entered such type of the information, and the information remain in the subconscious mind, and the negative things occupy the subconscious mind space. So what will be happen that time? Your mind will read the negative information. So this is the mind activity. So mind, it is a very, but generally our design is same thing. मतलब we are मतलब our evolution part of the body, it is the our conscious mind is the active only the 10%, and सबका and other animal brain is always active in the most of the 90%. and your imagination एंड कल्पना का मन हमारा हमेशा 90% एक्टिव रहता है, इल्यूजन वाला माइंड, वो हमें हमेशा मतलब इल्यूजन क्रिएट कराते रहता है. बट वी आर द ओनली, वी हैव ओनली 10% कि वी कैन थिंक अबाउट ऑल दिस थिंग. बट वी नीड टू अवेयरनेस, वी नीड टू bring some awareness. Awareness comes from the when we are understanding what you are doing, and whatever your bias and your fact, your senses is taking from the outer side. So your conscious mind will analyze is very proper, and then information will enter in your mind, then it will be help for you. Otherwise what will be happen, you will trap in all negative information. So this is the understanding about the conscious mind and subconscious mind. So and also is the unconscious mind. Unconscious mind, it is the suppose and मतलब dead information, it is the remain in the unconscious mind. मतलब it is the मतलब useless information always, so long period information will remain in the unconscious mind. So this is the pattern of the mind. So every time our greatest philosopher has suggested कि मतलब you remain in the conscious mind. Conscious mind, it is a means कि मतलब prefrontal cortex brain, there is a some मतलब there is a thinking power, there is a creativity, there is a imagination power, there is a logically power, and there is a social power, there is a मतलब there is so many skills is existing in the prefrontal cortex brain. So we can, and if we are existing in that place, so we can analyze all the information from which are taking maybe your bias, maybe your outside information. So this is the matlab analysis, we should know about the fact, then I will enter this information in my subconscious mind without checking any information, I will not enter in my subconscious mind. So every day if we are doing practice, क्योंकि we are living in this environment, so every day our mind and our senses is attached with the outer side. So definitely every day we are sitting to so many peoples, and we are discussing about so many matters, maybe politicals, maybe religions matter, maybe family matter, maybe another matters, any type of matter, and we are not consciously judge, we are not consciously recognize to which type of the thought we are going to discuss. So it will be it may be negative thoughts and it may be positive thought. So your mind should judge कि मतलब which type of the thought and which type of the sitting is always develop with the people. Otherwise you will lose your subconscious mind activity. Subconscious mind is a maybe it is a good things, but depend on your conscious mind कि which type of things you are, which type of the information you are taking from the outer side, and which type of the information you are not taking from outer side. Maybe positive, maybe negative, negative may be harmful, and positive may be positive it is a related कि मतलब what you want to do in your life. So according you have decided कि मतलब you what is your purpose, and you are according your purpose you are taking the information from the outer side, so it is a beneficial. So my suggestion is that कि every time you need to remain in the conscious mind. Conscious mind, it means prefrontal cortex brain. You develop 2-3%, so that it will definitely मतलब you will understand all these things. The conscious mind, or and you can understand about your ego activity. So I think that कि मतलब you have understand about the conscious mind, subconscious mind and unconscious mind. And if you have any queries, you want to ask any question, you write down in the description box. So thank you, have a nice day.